Hey all you Bitcoiners out there, welcome back to my channel. It's Brian here, the UK Bitcoin Master, with another video in my series Bitcoin for Beginners. Today is Thursday the 9th of August 2018. Great to be with you all and for another video in my series. As always, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so you get any notifications. Follow me on Twitter at UKBitcoin Master and on Steemit and DTube at Buzz27. Today's going to be a brief video. I want to talk to you all about your emotions. What the heck does that mean, you're thinking? Well, Bitcoin is down, isn't it? And how many of you thinking, oh my lord, what's going on? I need to sell out, etc. Well, here's what I would say to you. If you are in Bitcoin and looking for a fast buck, you're not going to find one. Okay, Bitcoin is it's digital money. It's something brand new that's going to take years and decades to really move into the mainstream. And because of that, anything that goes on out there in the world, up or down, is going to take Bitcoin up or down. And unless you're a 2020 thinker, unless you're a long-term thinker, unless you're willing to buy and hold, you're going to lose your money. Okay, if you try and trade this thing, you're never going to know what's going on, because one minute it flies up, next minute it flies down, and it's all over the place. What has gone on recently? Well, quite simply, the ETF that was everyone was hoping it was going to get approved. I'm not saying it didn't get approved, but it was supposed to happen on the 15th of August. Has now been shelved and put back until the end of September. And you know what? It might even get put back again. It might even get declined. But ultimately, that ETF will be approved, whether it's 2018, 2019, 2020. And when it gets approved, Bitcoin's going to go to the moon. So you've got to be, and I don't mean that literally, but you know what? It's really going to climb. So you've got to try and get hold of this long-term thinking mentality. You've got to start thinking of these halvings, the 2020 halving, the 2024 halving, and you've got to have that strong hand, and don't let what's going on with the Bitcoin price sell you out of your Bitcoin, get you to sell your Bitcoin. You've got to hold on, because it is very volatile. If you're new and you're not sure where I'm coming from, go back a couple of videos of mine and watch the video where I showed the charts and how these big climbs and these big falls eventually pale into insignificance as the months and the years roll on. And the ones we're going through now will pale into insignificance as the months and years roll on. You've got to have that strong hand. You've got to buy your Bitcoin, get it off the exchange, get it on your Trezor, and then wait it out, and don't worry about what's going on with the Bitcoin price. In my view, the same as one of the guys I follow, the Bitcoin Meister's view, one Bitcoin is still worth one Bitcoin. Stop valuing it in pounds, dollars, euros, yen. Value your wealth in Bitcoin, because no matter what the price is doing in terms of fiat currency, one Bitcoin is always going to be one Bitcoin. And outside influences are always going to make the price fluctuate up as well as down. Now, you know, I'm really struggling to try and get you guys to see that you've just got to hold it. You just got to hold it out and wait the long term. If you're younger than me, 2024, 2028 even, and if you do that and you stop worrying about what's going on in the short term price, you're going to be smiling on your face, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. And if you're watching this video, this is 2018. If you're watching this video in 2028 and you took my advice, you're laughing. If you didn't take my advice back in 2018, you probably want to slit your wrists. So guys, buy, hold, long-term thinking. There's going to be lots of things that are going to, lots of outside influences that are going to fly the price up and then crash the price down. It is part of being involved in the cryptocurrency community. My strong suggestion, if you are, on that roller coaster, if you like, of emotions, is start watching the channels that I follow, and their links are below in the notes section. Watch my previous videos in the notes section and follow the correct people, and you won't go far wrong in Bitcoin if you take our mentality and wait it out. So that's it for this show, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, as I mentioned earlier, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on on Twitter at UKBitcoin Miester, on Steemit, and on DTube at Buzz27, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Bye for now.